What's up, Average Dad fans, you big beautiful bastards? Welcome back to another video, and yes, it's another video on the Oppo Find N6, but today we're talking stylus pen, AI stylus pen. Yes, the Oppo Find N6, spoiler, is the best foldable phone I've ever used. I recently done a video on the multitasking. Well, today is another reason why it's so fantastic. Stylus support. This stylus works on the outer and inner screen. It's got AI tomfoolery built in, and it's pretty goddamn good. Let's go. Now, before I run through the key features of the stylus, it's important you know where you can buy it. And of course, you can buy it through the Average Dad Tech Store. Yes, we have sold nearly 100 of these styluses already, which is like 1 in 3 N6 orders. People are buying a stylus. Yeah, the stylus is doing very well, and having used it for a few days now, I can see why. Now, what's cool about the stylus in the box is not just the pen, you also get an included case, which holds the pen in such a sleek and low profile manner. It also charges the pen, which is so clutch, always having a fully charged stylus for whatever your needs may be. And we'll talk about what you can use it for soon. So yes, check out the Average Dad Tech Store if you're in the market for the stylus or indeed an N6. We are the cheapest import store online, and we also ship the fastest, with over 250 orders having been shipped already. Now, one thing I want to clear up that I've already mentioned about where the stylus works and what screens. Haley's World, which is a fantastic YouTube channel. She is amazing. The team are amazing over there. They do fantastic deep dives on software and software tips and tricks. But she did recently make a short about the N6 stylus pen and said it was the only foldable phone with both outer and inner screen support for a stylus. Yeah, that's obviously not true because the Honor Magic V6 also has this. Maybe she wanted to clarify because she is, catered for Samsung and Apple most of the time. Maybe she just wanted to clarify that outside of Samsung Pixel foldable devices, the Oppo's the only one. But folks, the Honor Magic V6, and actually now that I think about it, I think the Huawei Mate X7 has stylus support on both outer and inner. So yeah, Haley's World, you were wrong, but I love the channel. Keep up the good work. Now, let's talk about the 5 key features I love using with the stylus. Now, number 1 is something that has been removed from Samsung stylus pens for the past couple of years, and it's pretty much the only thing I would have used it for in the past. It's the camera control. Yes, the ability to use your Bluetooth stylus pen as a camera button. You can be 50 feet away, make sure you're included in a group photo, click the button and it takes a picture. You can set a timer. Same with video. You can start recording video if you're a lone content creator and you've got on a gimbal. You can click the button to start and stop video recording. This is something that does come in handy for a lot of people, especially as mentioned content creators. So the fact it's on the Oppo stylus pen, really handy. I really love it. Well done, Oppo. And then feature number 2 is something that is no different to most styluses. It's your quick notes. A simple tap on the stylus pen button will bring up your menu of 4 options. We're going to talk about quick note, but we will talk about the other options too. So quick note is exactly what it says. You can press the button, bring up quick note. If you want it full screen, simply click and drag with your stylus from the bottom corner. It will then go full screen on the outer or inner screen and write or draw to your heart's content. Where things get slightly different with the Oppo AI pen is exactly that, it's AI. You can use the lasso icon, highlight any text or image and use generative AI to work out your maths equation, to tidy up your handwriting, to change your handwriting from English to another language, to change your font style. And with drawings, you can change the style of drawing you've made. Here's an example of a really, really bad smiley face I've made, and I've used generative AI to make it a funny comic book style drawing. The kids love this. I love this, and it's all super quick as well. So again, well done Oppo. I now see why you call it the AI pen. Now, another massive feature of styluses in general is annotation. We do this on tablets, we do this with any stylus we get. We love to annotate, whether it be documents, images, screenshots. You can use the annotate feature, which you can access through the one tap menu, or you can swipe down with the stylus pen from the top right of your outer or inner screen. This brings up the annotate mode. You can do this through any app, Instagram, WhatsApp, Google Chrome, Edge, whatever browser you use. You can also do it in PDF documents, Word, Excel sheets. It's just super handy. Now, the example I'm showing just now is me drawing a penis on a forehead, but folks, that's just who I am. And yes, you can share that as a PDF or image to anyone on any social media app. So whoever I sent this to, you're welcome. Now, two other features from the menu are probably the least used for me, but they're very, very much handy depending on your situation. For example, the laser pointer. I don't see a need for this when I'm just using the phone. I know where I'm pointing my pen, but if you're presenting, if you've got your screen plugged into a display port, a larger screen, quite handy to have a laser pointer to show people where you're pointing during presentations or however you're doing it. It's a cool feature. But again, not something I'll use very often. Now, the fourth and final menu option is capture. You can use a gesture for this. You can long press the button to bring up the capture and then draw around anything. Folks, this is circle to search. That's what this is, and that's okay. I like it. Again, in any app, you can circle to search and that'll bring up options for you. For example, if you have a really complex diagram or equation, simply capture it. You can tell it to create a chart for you, an infographic, or you can just have it summarize the text in bullet points. Really, really handy to use. You can also obviously use this as Google Lens. So maybe you've seen an image of a nice pair of trainers or a nice watch. You know me, I like a nice watch. Simply circle it and it'll tell you exactly what watch it is and where to buy it, most likely. So that's the 4 pen features on the pen menu. And the other one I mentioned was the camera capabilities. There is going to be more and more that you can do with the AI pen. Just to finish off, in terms of connectivity, as I've already mentioned, it's Bluetooth, but there is a pen menu in the settings as well, with loads of customization and lots of different options. No point me going into that just now because I've essentially told you most of the key things it can do. But rest assured, the Oppo AI pen is the best stylus that has ever come with a phone. I was going to say foldable phone, but the S26 Ultra comes with a stylus and it's not great. But it's the best stylus that comes with a phone. And I also have to reiterate, I ain't a stylus guy. Like, I've enjoyed using it for a few days to make this video, but in reality, do I need a stylus to draw on? Probably not. But because it is something that just fits neatly into the case, which, by the way, the case is nice too, yeah, maybe I will use it more often than I have done in the past. Now, hopefully you've enjoyed all my content on the Find N6, from multitasking and stylus and first impressions and that versus with the Honor Magic V6. But there is a lot more to come in terms of my full review and a full-length versus video between the Honor Magic V6 and the Oppo Find N6. Anakin from the Anakin Dad Channel will be fighting the corner of the Honor while I fight the corner of the Oppo. And we'll be doing it from New York City. If that sounds good, please smash subscribe. And until next time,